Over the next week, I'm going to share with you 3 videos of the 3 biggest revenue drains that is costing your practice thousands and thousands of dollars. The first revenue drain is in cancellations. Cancellations can represent anywhere from $2,500 up to $10,000 a month. So let's say you're doing 500 visits a month. And let's say that you reduce that cancellation rate by 5%, just 5%. 5% of 500 visits is 25 visits. And for easy math here, let's multiply that by $100 per visit. So you're making $100 per visit. That's $2,500. Even if you're making $80 a visit or $90 a visit, that still will equal thousands of dollars. And if you have a little bigger practice, and let's say you're doing 1,000 visits a month, you're talking about over $100,000 in revenue by just reducing your cancellation rate 5%. That's a lot of money. And that's money that's not going to cost you anything to get it. Your expenses aren't going to be increased by doing that. So I have a training. The training is going to go into more depth of how to reduce that cancellation rate so you can get more of your money that you deserve. If you'd like to be a part of that training, just click below and sign up. It's pretty much that easy. And we'll go ahead and dive deeper into this. In the next video that you're going to be receiving shortly, we're going to go into the next revenue drain. And the next drain really is going to focus around booking appointments out and booking your plan of care out. So we'll see you again. We'll talk about the next revenue drain.